warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Ajeng Anditya Putri Nugroho with my student number W014784, and today I would like to practice my teaching practice for Microteaching course, and I want you to be cooperative in my teaching practice. Okay, thank you. Hello class, good morning.
Morning.
How are you today?
I'm fine.
Yes, I'm also great today. So before we start our classes, let's pray together. Pray begin. Amin. Finish? Thank you very much. Okay. First, I want to check your attendance. Baruna? Okay. Yasmin?
Present.
Okay. Ashifa?
Present.
Dian?
Present.
Okay. Nasha?
Present.
Nanda?
Present.
Alia?
Present.
Fauzan? Okay. So you are all here and no one is absent today. Great. Okay. What's our last meeting? What we have learned about our last meeting? Descriptive text. Okay, we have learned about descriptive text. And anyone remember what is description text? Raise your hand, please. Yes.
Descriptive text is a text that describes about an object. It is an animal, place, or thing.
Good, great. And then, Daruna, what is the generic structure of descriptive text?
Using first present tense. It's identification and description.
Great. And we also have learned about the language features in it. And I believe that all of you here already understand about the descriptive text, right?
Yes.
Okay, so that because of that, we can continue on the next material, and today's material is about procedure text. Okay. Does anyone know what types or any types of procedure text have you learned? Is it how to make juice, fried rice, right? And then what again? How to make noodle, instant noodle, what again?
Mango juice.
Mango juice, right? And then that types is called food recipe. And then you have learned food recipe in junior high school, but now you are already in senior high school, which is we are gonna move on to manual procedure text. So what is so before that, after we learned about this manual procedure text, I hope that you are able to identify the generic structure of procedure text correctly. And then after that, I want you to work in group. And then you are able to create procedure text about manual procedure text, and then in the end you have to work individually to create procedure text based on the picture using at least 3 action verbs creatively. Okay, so what do you think about this picture? SIM card, a phone, right? And then, what is it? It is the tool that we use to open the SIM card. What is it? SIM card place like that. Okay. What?
SIM tray.
SIM tray. Okay. And then, do you know how to change your SIM card?
Yeah.
By yourself? Okay. How do you learn it? Is it by the guidebook that in the box of your phone, or from YouTube?
I just saw people doing it. So.
From your surrounding people. Okay. So yeah, it's also the one of the form of procedure text. So procedure text is not all about a whole text, but it's also the video tutorial. It is also the guiding books and also the sequences picture. And okay, who wants to read this? What is it? Introduction and the manuals one. Okay, Fauzan.
Okay, so what is procedure text? Procedure text is a piece of text that gives us instructions for doing something. Manuals refers specifically to a reference document which provides detailed information about operation and maintenance of product.
Good. So it is to give us instruction to doing something. In the food recipe, we instruct. We give the instructions to how to make something. But in this manual procedure text, we instructed to do something or to operate something. And then the purpose, who wants to visit Ashifa? Can you read the purposes?
Purpose are social functions. First, to show how something is done through a sequence of steps which enable the reader to achieve the goal. Second, to tell the reader how to do something through a sequence of actions or steps. Last, to instruct someone on how to do something.
Good. So, okay. From here, do you have any questions?
No,
it's clear. Okay. The next is the generic structure and the language features. So as you can see, sorry, it is tertutup ya. So the first generic structure is a goal. So the goal here, it can also called as the title of the text, so that you can know about what the text is going to discuss, going to tell us about. And then look at the right slide. What's the title of the text? How to withdraw money from ATM, and it is also called as a goal from the text. And the next is the material. So material is the tools, utensils, ingredients, which needed in the process, in the steps. But do you see any materials or tools in there?
Yes.
Do you see it? The material structure? No? Yeah. Why is it not attacked here? Because the manual procedure text is not really have to mention the materials, but it is mentioned in the steps, and you all know, you will know by read it. In the food recipe, the materials, the utensils, and then the ingredients mentioned because it is sesuatu yang kalian benar-benar butuhkan untuk melakukan hal tersebut. So next is the steps. How many steps here? 8. And then what about I skip the one steps. Is it okay? No. Why? Because
Then you can do it correctly.
jumping yeah, we will do it in a incorrect way, or in the end we do it salah, acak-acakan gitu ya. Okay, and then we also have the language features. Manual procedure text have 5 language features. What is it?
Sequence answers, adverbials,
Okay, and then in here, you can see that all of the language features that already mentioned here. Okay. Any questions before I move on to the next slide? No. Okay. The next slide is about this. What do you see here? Picture hand, yes. And then, do you see the difference between this text and this?
Yes.
See what the difference is? What the biggest difference is? The next one is. The next one. The form of text one is text, and then the second text is picture, sequenced pictures. Yeah, it is also one of the form of procedure text. It is, as I mentioned before, it can also it can be formed as a text, be formed as sequenced pictures, as a video, tutorial videos on YouTube, TikTok, and etc. Okay, how many steps here?
12.
12. Do you know the materials or the tools here? Water, soap, and tissue or towel. Yeah, that's the similarity from the first text and the second text is it is including the steps. It is mentioned the steps, and it is not mentioned the materials or utensils. Do you understand?
Yes.
No question at all?
No.
Okay, so now let's grouping. Okay, and now I want you to make groups consist of 4. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and I will so make groups consist of 4. Here 2 groups. Okay, make a circle, everyone. Each group. Okay, so you are all in a group and sit circling, and now I will give you this piece of paper, and the one that I give paper is called as a starter. Okay? And okay. And then after that, the one that as a starter, start to write what I have to instruct you, or what the topic I will ask you some topic, and then you have to write down the procedure text of the topic. And then after that, the other students ask a response, and then you will do it continuously. Okay. After that, I will give you I will use the timer to time you up. In every 30 seconds, you have to pass your paper in friends to your friends next to you in every 30 seconds. Okay. Sampai sini? Any questions? No. Okay. And then you will keep continuing your work. And then I give you about 4 minutes how to do it, okay? So it will be dua putaran ya, okay? And then after that, I want you to present your work in front of the class. Okay, thank you. So don't start yet. And for the topic is about how to operate TV. And start from now. And the other members tidak boleh berdiskusi. Pass it to the next person. Pass again. Pass again. Okay, pass again. The last pass. Three, two, one, finish! Yay! Okay, who wants to read your work in front of the class? Which? Okay. Come forward, please, Baruna. Thank you.
How to operate TV? We need electricity, TV, and remote. And the step is first, 'First, plug the television cable into electricity. After that, plug the TV into TV. 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 Press the power on television button to turn. 3. Wait until the television show the picture. 4. Choose the channel that you want to watch. Use the button or the remote. 5. Set the volume. Use the remote or button volume. Last, if you want to turn off the television, you can use the power button. That's all.
Okay, give applause everyone. How many steps to do it?
6.
6. Your group, how many steps?
6.
Also 6. Yeah, I bet that you all know how to produce, how to create a procedure text in a group, right? Okay, so let's back to your seat again. Okay, now it's time to work individually. And as you can see here, I provide you. As you can see here, I provide you a picture of you can mention what the title can be. How to brush your teeth. Okay, great. And then there are 6 steps, and I want you to do to create the procedure text with an appropriate generic structure. Okay, and then and also I want you to mention at least 5 action verbs. Do you still remember what is action verbs?
Yes.
Yes, it is like pull, brush, open, take, cut. Okay. Yes, and I give you 5 minutes. It is enough.
Yes.
Okay. You can start to work now. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask me. Is my instruction clear, everyone?
Yes.
Okay. Any difficulties so far?
No.
Okay. Have you done, everyone? Okay, so because the time is up, then this work, you can continue this work on your home. And then, okay, I want you to submit it tomorrow before 9 a.m. and you can submit it on my desk. Okay, I want you to submit it before the 9 a.m. Is it clear?
Yes.
Right. Okay then. So how's today lesson? Is it fun or boring?
Very
Very fun. Okay, thank you. What we have learned today? Anyone? Procedure text. Yasmin, what is procedure text?
Text that tell how to do something.
How to do something. Nasha, what is the generic structure of procedure text?
Goal, method,
materials and steps.
Cool material and steps. And then anyone can mention what are the language features that we have learned today?
Sequence and verbs.
Adverbials, imperative,
Action
active verbs,
Simple present
simple present tense. And I assume that you have already understand about today's material. And okay, that's all for today's classes. Don't forget your your homework. Okay. And before we end the class, let's pray together. Pray begin. Finish.